Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a PDF file in mobile. Now, it depends on what kind of PDF you want, but if you want a simple one that's editable right from your phone, you probably already have this app as well. We're going to be using Microsoft Word. Now, from Word, you just want to click on this plus icon up here. On this plus icon, I'm just going to pick a flyer here, for example. Now on this flyer, I'm just going to edit something, like you can edit anything. Like for example, I'm going to edit for sale instead. I'm going to do for rent, something like that. So I can edit and modify this PDF file how many times I like. So it's like this now. Now the way we're going to turn this into a PDF now is that we're going to click on these three dots up here. Now you might think it'll be save as, but it won't be that because they don't have the save to PDF option there. So instead we're going to pick something called print. Right, so once on the print section here is that you want to click on save as PDF up here. And then you want to click this button here, save as PDF, and then just click on save. And then that's it. You have your PDF saved in your phone. If you like this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.